Welcome to Just BB Guns. Today we're going to take a look at the G11. This is a Mac11 style semi-automatic 6mm BB gun. Have instructions packaging. Inside we have the magazine. This is a gas magazine. We have the very solid gun, some bits and pieces which we'll look at shortly, and some BB bullets. Okay, first let's put the gas into the magazine. It's very simple. There's a nozzle at the end. Many different types of gas on the market. This one we sell on our website, and it is very good. Just simply push very hard, very firm the gas into the magazine, and there you go, that's filled. Okay, load in the magazine. Very simple. Pull back the spring. In this little bag of goodies, we have a fast loader. It's more of an easy loader than a fast loader, but that just clips on the top of the magazine like that. We take off the lid of our BB bullets and just simply pour them in. Okay, once they're in there, you can see them here. Just gently release the spring, and there they are, ready to go. Insert. Just make sure before you insert that the safety is switched on the gun. Put it in, always face the gun away from you when putting in the magazine. That's loaded, full of gas, ready to go. Okay, a couple of features on the gun. On this side you have semi or full automatic. The set at the top, extended arm on the back, just simply release. There's a switch underneath, just press the switch in, pull the arm out. It's all solid metal, very good quality. Okay, that's everything, let's see how it fires. Okay, I have my skirmish mask on because this gun does pack a real punch, and we're going to fire. Okay, this is from about 10 meters away.